Hi folks, welcome to Greg's Workshop. Do you have a boat? Do you have a travel trailer? Would you like to take your boat with you along with the travel trailer? Stay tuned.
So this is the EIDE boat loader, spelled E-I-D-E. It's a system that uses rollers and lines to lift a boat up onto a truck. You can see we use 4 lines, 2 kind of fixed length transom lines here, and then there's going to be 2 longer lines that go on the front that are what do the actual lifting and raising.
All right, let's take a look at what we got here. So first, you'll need those fold down transom wheels for your boat. You can buy them from any number of manufacturers. I built mine out of aluminum and wheels from Harbor Freight. So we've got 2 lines attached here at the rear. See if I can get out of the sun and show you what that looks like. And then 2 lines attached up at the front. You can see the drill right there. This company makes 2 models. One is drill powered, the other is full electric. You can find some older models sometimes that are just straight hand crank. Basically, I run that drill and the whole thing just goes up. It's amazing. Let me show you.
This clip is sped up to double time. That's not because it takes a long time, it's just to shorten up the video for you. It goes really quick. Those lines on the transom are a little short. You can see the transom of the boat is on top of the bumper. You'd want it behind the bumper here. I'll just pop it around there. It's just, if I could just have a couple more inches on there, I'd be good. And here you can see once it goes past vertical, it goes pretty quick. It goes over into a horizontal upside down position and then gets pulled forward all the way.
Bonus with this system, bonus number 1 I should say, it ties itself down. All those ropes pull tight around the rollers and around the frame, and it's held in place. I've traveled a few hundred miles with this on the top, no problem. Benefit number 2, it improves my gas mileage towing the trailer. It acts as kind of a windbreak. The height of the trailer is roughly the height of those wheels, so I get about 1 extra mile per gallon. And that's all there is to it. I'm not affiliated with this company. They are a local company. I want them to be successful, but I don't get any commissions or anything. There aren't a lot of good videos about this loader on the internet, so hopefully this will help to increase the public's awareness of their product. I think it goes without saying, but I'm going to say it anyway. You need to make sure that you have everything out of the inside before you load it up, because otherwise it's all going to fall out. Obviously have to have the motor off. I got the motor laid down in the back here, so when I launch it I just pick up the motor, mount it on. Alright, got it loaded up. I'm going to get the trailer hooked up. We're leaving tomorrow morning, so tomorrow afternoon I'll be putting it in the water. I'll try and record that too, assuming it's not raining.
And here we are, a beautiful 10-mile lake on the Oregon coast. Unloading is the opposite of loading. Put the drill in reverse, pull the trigger, and the boat unloads right off the rack. Folks, if you enjoyed that video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notified of new videos every Saturday morning, leave a comment or a question, and I'll see you next week on Greg's Workshop.